Evening, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School, and I'm down here getting ready for an advanced class. It starts tomorrow, and a lot of prep work that has to go on down here in the classroom area as well as out in other areas of the school to make that happen and make logistics run smooth for the next 4 days for that advanced class. So I thought what I'd do tonight is cook myself up some supper real quick, and I thought no better time than now to introduce this new American-made Abercrombie Camp Skillet. And this is a folding handle skillet with a locker, with a pour spout on the side that is made from spun steel on a spinning lathe. We also have a matching spatula that'll be also on sale with it on Friday at 1 o'clock. I've not cooked in this skillet yet, so we're gonna cook in it tonight. I've cooked in one like it. I know it cooks fantastic. This is an exact replica of the Abercrombie Camp Skillet in carbon steel. So we wanted something that was historically accurate. It didn't have a bunch of logos all over it, that reenactors could use, or just guys who are very traditional could use a skillet like this. And again, you know, this is an American-made skillet. So if you're about supporting American business, this is made by an American small business in South Carolina. Ace Kitchen & Co. is the name of the company. He's been making skillets for about 15 years, about the same amount of time that I've been making cookware. He's been making these skillets. Not folding handle skillets, but solid handle skillets. We worked on this design together from an actual antique that I had that we could use for prototyping. So tonight, we're gonna cook up some supper in this. Stay with me, we'll get started. All right, so we'll chop sirloin in here, some butter. Get this carbon steel skillet seasoned up as we go here. We got a tripod over the fire with a biscuit in it. Right in the old 2-quart bush pot there, one of my favorite cook systems on a jack chain on a tripod there. We'll get this cooked up and then we'll add the secret sauce. We'll be ready. All right, got the Lynchburg Chop House seasoning here. Throw that bad boy on there. Yeah, boy. Looking good. Looking good. Oh, man. Biscuit's getting there, too. Good stuff. If I stand to move him over a little bit. Just a tad toward the fire there. There we go. Good. Perfect. Let me tell you, boys, this whole deal is absolutely winning right here. Look at that perfect biscuit, man. Oh my gosh. Thing is money. And I'm telling you what, a little chopped sirloin and some cream of mushroom soup. This skillet cooks beautiful. Not disappointed in that at all. Delicious. Holy cow, boy. Ooh, son, that's good. Man. Well, Zon's like, give me some. What's up? Man. Little biscuit for chopping up that gravy. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Woo. Golly. Tell ya, it's new. Abercrombie Camp Skillet. Definitely a winner. No question about it. Released at 1 o'clock on our website on Friday. You won't be disappointed. Beautiful, US made, heirloom quality, made to historical, accurate specifications. Folding handle skillet, almost identical to the one sold in the Abercrombie & Fitch catalog in 1936, with the exception of it being carbon steel instead of aluminum. Man. Listen, guys, I appreciate you joining me out here today. A little prep work for the advanced class, introduction to this Abercrombie Camp Skillet, if I can keep the cat out of it. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business. A lot of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and look forward to more great collaborations in the very near future. Thanks, guys. This is American business supporting American business. Man. Huge. Man, John, you don't even know. I can tell you how good that is. Golly. I know you want some. I'll save you a piece here. Go. Hey, right here. Hey, right here, right here. There you go. That's it. All you get for your money, bub. All you get.